If you love comic books, we've got some fun hacks for you. At Crafty Hackers, we've got superhero crafts and comic book hacks that are out of this world. Comic book belt. First, cut out pieces of your favorite art from a comic book and get your belt ready. Once you've got your art pieces cut out, grab some Mod Podge. Use a paintbrush to apply the Mod Podge to your belt. Then stick the comic book pieces on. Paint over the art pieces and add more on top. Paint the top layer and wipe with a sponge. Keep applying the art until the whole belt is covered. Cut off the excess pieces from the sides. Poke through the belt holes with a small pair of scissors, and check out your new superhero belt. Looks cool, doesn't it? Avengers mason jars. Paint the inside of a jar with yellow paint. Then paint the inside of another jar with a combo of blue and white paint. And do another jar with a combo of red and white paint. Print and cut out some Avengers logos. Paint a bit of Mod Podge on the outside of the jar. Attach the logo and paint over it with another layer of Mod Podge. Wipe it with a sponge, and you've got unique Avengers jars. Drop candles inside and watch them glow. Pretty awesome, huh? Comics bookmark. Use a ruler to trace out a section of construction paper. Cut out some comic book art. Mod Podge the art onto a strip of paper. Apply another layer until the whole bookmark is covered. Then flip it over and do the same for the other side. Cut away the excess from the sides, and you've got yourself a one-of-a-kind superhero bookmark. Captain America t-shirt. First, place a white t-shirt into a bucket of water. Once it's completely wet, wring it out and lay it flat. Fold the shirt in half and use a plate to trace half a circle on one side of the t-shirt. Hold the shirt in the center and gather it together like this. Once it's all gathered, twist a rubber band around the area where you made the chalk line. Twist more rubber bands around the shirt, equally distant from each other. There should be 5 sections. Use a water bottle with fabric dye and dye the sections of the shirt. Follow the instructions on your fabric dye bottle for best results. Use blue dye in the center, then red dye on every other section. Add blue dye to the remaining part of the shirt. After you dye the shirt, leave it for about 24 hours. Next, place a sheet of baking paper inside the shirt before you paint on the star. Use a plate to trace out your circle. Then use a ruler to make a star inside the circle. Cut out the star and use this as your stencil. Then paint a star in the center using fabric paint. Hello there, Captain America. Superhero cuffs. Save the cardboard from your toilet paper rolls. Cut slits up the side and trim them to about the size of a superhero cuff for your wrists. Spray paint them gold. Trace a couple of stars on a piece of cardboard. Now put some acrylic red paint onto a sponge. Hold down your cardboard star stencil and sponge the red paint onto your cuff. Do the same for the other one. Sprinkle them with glitter. And these are some super cuffs. And those are our comic book hacks and Marvel superhero crafts. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Please subscribe to our channel for even more hacks. See you later.